Interesting facts: standing around burns calories. On average, a 150-pound person burns 114 calories per hour while standing and doing nothing. Although GPS is free for the world to use, it costs $2 million per day to operate. The money comes from American tax revenue. In World War II, Germany tried to collapse the British economy by dropping millions of counterfeit bills over London. The human eye is so sensitive that if the earth were flat and it was a dark night, a candle's flame could be seen from 30 miles away. When Space Invaders was created, Tomohiro Nishikado left in the lag caused by more invaders on the screen in order to create greater difficulty in the games. The color red doesn't really make bulls angry, they are colorblind. 28% of people on the autism spectrum are left-handed, and only 10% of people, in general, are left-handed. In 2007, Scotland spent £125,000 devising a new national slogan. The winning entry was, "Welcome to Scotland." Until 2016, the "Happy Birthday" song was not for public use. Meaning that prior to 2016, the song was copyrighted, and you had to pay a license to use it. When mice live in the wild, they typically only live for about 6 months. This is mostly due to the fact that they're a good source of food for other animals. However, in a controlled environment, like being kept as a pet, they can live up to 2 years. There is a punctuation mark used to signify irony or sarcasm that looks like a backward question mark.